Here are 3 deadly snake facts you need to know. Number 1, spitting cobras. Spitting cobras. These snakes can shoot venom over 2 meters right into your eyes, causing permanent blindness. Their bites? Fatal in just 6 to 12 hours without antivenom. Number 2, the black mamba. The black mamba, the fastest land snake at 20 kilometers per hour. Its venom shuts down your body in under an hour. No joke, it's one of the deadliest snakes alive. And number 3, the gaboon viper. The gaboon viper, with 2-inch fangs and a massive venom dose, this camouflage killer strikes without warning. One bite can destroy tissue and cause deadly internal bleeding, which can kill an adult human being. Like, comment, and subscribe for more animal facts.